Never Stop Learning Week 301. We're going to take a quick look at Adobe Stock Image Search in the Adobe Creative Cloud 2017. All right, so this is an awesome feature, and I think it's going to speed up everybody's workflow. I know for me, there's plenty of times when I'm in Adobe Illustrator and I need, let's say, a reference image or some kind of image to use as a template just to kind of get started with my illustrations. Now, instead of leaving Illustrator, I could take care of everything right in here. I'll show you what I mean. Over here at the top in the window menu, I'm going to scroll through and then find libraries. All right, when I click on that, it's going to bring up the library panel for me. One important thing to notice is which library you're actually working in. I'm going to use my Never Stop Learning library, and now just below that, I'm going to type in, let's say, boat. All right, now it's searching Adobe Stock, and it's going to give me the search results for boat. All right, here we go. We got a bunch of different boats to choose from. Now I could actually refine this. I'm going to go in with red boat. All right, now it's just giving me results of different red boats. I got a boat right here with a red bow. I even have some text here that says boat in red, but something like this is what I'm going for. All right, so I'm going to click and drag to bring it into my document. Notice there's a little plus symbol next to my cursor. All right, I'm going to release. All right, now we've brought this image into the document. One of the first things you might notice is that there's a thumbnail going across the center of the document, and over on the bottom right, there's a little number to identify this image. All right, don't worry about that. That's actually going to disappear once you license this image. Now, the way this works is it's actually still linked to the Creative Cloud. Over here on the top left, it says linked file. So if you actually want to keep this image and use it in your project, jump back into the libraries, right-click on the thumbnail, and then choose License Image. All right, now I'm going to clear out this search result here. Notice I still have the thumbnail, and that's because it's going to add it to my Never Stop Learning library. That's the one that I had activated when I brought this into my document. All right, I'm going to right-click on the thumbnail. I can license the image or find similar. I thought that was a pretty cool feature too. So when you click on that, now you get a new search result. You're going to have some similar images to the one you just clicked on. All right, next I want to show you how this works in Photoshop. All right, so I'm going to switch over. Here we go. Now at the top, I'm going to go into the window menu, scroll down and find libraries. All right, as soon as I bring up libraries, I'm in my Never Stop Learning library. And notice, here we go. There's our red boat that we were playing with earlier. If I want to bring it into Photoshop, just click and drag. There's that plus symbol again, and then release. Now I can move this guy around, size it up exactly how I want, and once I'm ready to commit to this transformation, over here at the top, just click on this check. We're basically telling Photoshop, yep, go ahead and bring this smart object in here. Now in the Layers panel, notice there's a little cloud icon here right over the thumbnail. That lets you know that it's linked to the Creative Cloud. So once you're ready to license this image, you can again right-click on the thumbnail and then choose License Image. All right, I'm going to get rid of this layer. Now, instead of using this as a reference or a template, you could also search for things when you're mocking up products. So back over here in the search, I'm going to search for wine bottle. All right, so then I get some wine bottles right here in my search result. Now, these guys are blank, and those might be pretty useful, but again, I want to be a little bit more specific. So I'm going to go with mock-up. All right, and when I type that in, I get some more wine bottles, but these have blank labels that I could use to mock up my new wine label. All right, so again, the same thing. You just click and drag, bring it into your document. Once you get it exactly how you want, go ahead and accept that transform, and then you're good to go. So go ahead and give it a shot. Let me know if this helps you out in your workflow. So there you have it, folks. That's a quick look at Adobe Stock Image Search in the Adobe Creative Cloud 2017.